Meet tCheck 3, the tiny device that can measure THC and CBD potency levels right from your kitchen. No lab appointments, no complicated setup, no waiting days for results. Just a small sample, a few minutes, and your phone. Most people making homemade oils, gummies, tinctures, or infused butter don't actually know how strong their final batch is. And that's where things become inconsistent. One edible feels weak, the next one suddenly feels way too strong. Sometimes the recipe turns out perfect, but the potency is completely different every time. And without proper testing, the entire process becomes guesswork. You estimate the dosage, you hope the infusion worked correctly, and you basically rely on trial and error. But the tCheck 3 changes that. The tCheck 3 is a compact potency tester designed to estimate THC and CBD levels in infused oils, butter, and tinctures. The process is surprisingly simple. First, you take a small sample of your infusion, then place the sample into the testing tray, insert the tray into the device, open the mobile app, and start the test. That's it. No complicated chemical process, no confusing equipment, and no need to send products to a lab. Using light-based analysis technology, the tCheck 3 estimates potency levels within minutes. And once the test is complete, the results appear directly on your phone. A quick potency estimate for your batch. That means better consistency, more accurate portions, and less wasted product. Instead of randomly hoping your recipe turns out right, you can make adjustments with far more confidence. This is especially useful for people who regularly make homemade edibles, infused oils, or tinctures, and want more predictable results every time, because consistency matters. Whether you're experimenting with recipes or trying to recreate the same batch again, knowing the estimated potency makes the process feel much more controlled. The device itself is compact, modern, and easy to use, even for beginners. It doesn't take up much space, and the app guides you through the process step by step. So rather than guessing how strong your infusion might be, you can actually test it before using it. Less guessing, more consistency, more confidence in every batch. The tCheck 3 helps you stop guessing and start testing. Visit the link in bio to learn more about home potency testing.